guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike Running Renew. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Show some love. We want to see those thumbs up and likes, and drop some comments in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Let's get into this review. So today we've got a look at the Nike Running Renew sneaker, and we got this in the black colorway, and it comes in the UK 7.5, so US 8.5, and the European 42. Now, just before we get into the unboxing, I just want to give a little look at this box. So you've got the patterning that you're going to find in the sneaker. It reminds me of the Nike Reacts, and it's just nice to have that little garnish, as you will, on the box with the Nike Renew logo and all the patterning. As I mentioned, it's all printed around this box. So let's get into it. And there we go. And let us start with the outsole. So just like the box, it comes in an array of these traction patterning. It's an all rubber outsole as well. As I mentioned, you got those funky patterns. Obviously this is used for the running and for the traction, for the miles and miles of running you're gonna be doing that's ahead of you. Going along onto the midsole. So this is a foam midsole. Unfortunately, this is not Nike React. We love Nike React here at Oneupreviewz. Jeff loves it. He's always wearing his pair of Nike Reacts running shoes. And not much more I can say except the patterning again. It just keeps reminding me of the Nike React, although it isn't. But I guarantee that you're going to still get a lot of that cushion support. Not as premium as the React as well, unfortunately. Going along onto the upper, so this upper is a blend of breathable mesh and a lot of TPU plastics that has been fused on. So you can see that if you look at the toe, you can see the Nike swoosh around the toe area. And if you look at the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker, you got the Nike swoosh that is infused. As I mentioned, this being a mesh, is there for your breathability of feet, and it feels like it's stretchy, so it can shape itself to the shape of your foot. Feels very comfy as well, stretchy, comfy, nicely padded. That's all you want in your running sneakers. Got along onto the heel area, so you can see that the midsole unit, it greatly extends itself to the back. Not much more. There isn't a lot of patterning or branding that's here, but you can see the TPU infusing. And going along onto the lacing, so you got a two-tone lace. They are not infused with 3M. Thought for a second that they were. A lot of TPU infusing there as well. And you've got this nicely padded tongue with the Nike Renew logo there. So the insole is a lunar insole unit. So it's great for, again, what you're going to be using this for, running or walking, your casual walks. But there's not much more we can be doing these days. A lot of basketball courts have been closed. You can't really play football anymore. So in these strange times that we find ourselves in, running is our only outlet. Well, it seems like that anyway. And the guys here at Oneupreviewz, myself, Jeff and Chris, we run. And you're going to see a lot of us wearing these kind of sneakers on our jogs and leisurely walks. So I can't wait to try these on actually, because I'm an avid runner myself. And I'm going to give you my thoughts, feelings and emotions. So roll that footage. So the fit, guys, I recommend getting your true to size Nike fit, whatever that may be. I'm a UK 7.5 and it's fit like a glove. Now, unfortunately, I'm always going to be comparing running sneakers to React or Ultra Boost, and this doesn't feel like it is it. Obviously, this being the Renew, and it's just a normal foam midsole, sorry. So it doesn't feel like it's very reactive, if that makes any sense. But it is giving me that support. It does feel cushioned because of the lunar insole that's there. It does feel very comfy. The mesh is nice. It's hugging my feet, if anything. It's all I want in my running sneakers. I do want comfort, and that is what I'm getting for this sneaker. Now, the price point is, retail price is around £90, but if you're able to go on Nike or ASOS, they are currently £50. So try and get yourself a pair. I do recommend this. I mean, £50 for a pair of running sneakers, that's a steal in my opinion. And yeah, I can't wait to give these a little 5k, you know, and give it a little run. So here we go. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.